to my channel. Let's see if it's working. Okay, so there are 22 letters in the Hebrew alphabet, and the first letter is Aleph. Let's see how it's written. So it makes the sound A, but differentiate between everyday handwriting and printed form. So first, the everyday handwriting of Aleph is this way. Aleph. And now the printed form will be different. It is like this. Okay. So first this Aleph. And now the second letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Bet. There's a dot in the middle. And it makes the sound Be. So the everyday handwriting form will be this way. And in the middle, 1 point. And now the printed form of Beth is, and in the middle, a dot. So now with these two letters, we can write a Hebrew word, and this word is Abba, means father. So let me write it for you. Okay. And Hebrew is written from right to left. So Abba means father. Okay. Means father. And now let's see the everyday written form is this way, Abba. Okay. Abba means father. And now the printed form. Can I write it here? Is there enough space? I don't know, but let's see if I can write. Okay. Oh, sorry, one more time. Sometimes I make mistakes. It's easy to make mistakes when you learn, and you have to keep repeating. So I was going to write Abba in print form, so I should not forget that it is like this. That's okay, Abba. So it's not easy to, one more time. This is a dot in the middle, and yes. So Abba means father. Okay, then the next letter, and I'm just going to go over my notes. And there's right after the letter, okay, I should discuss this. Right after the letter Beth, there's a letter wet, but it's so vet. So it just doesn't have this dot. And I will write the forms. So vet is everyday form, and printed form, is it clear? Wet. So the only difference of bat is that there is this dot here, and this is the printed form. All right, 1 point here. Okay, so far is it clear? And now, okay, after aleph bet wet, but it doesn't count. Wet doesn't count as a separate letter. Okay, it's not a separate letter. So I have written Abba means father, and okay, Hebrew vowel system. So it's called Nikud, and it's a series of dots or points that are used to indicate vowel sounds connected to consonants. Nikud could take a form of dots, lines, and combinations of the two, and are written in, under, on top, or beside consonant letters. Okay, now okay, then word for fish is dag in Hebrew. Okay, but before that there's another consonant, gimel. Let's look at this. So gimel, gimel in everyday written form, it is but in printed form gimel is this. So and a word can be written with this. For example, gag means roof in Hebrew. So basically just these two consonants. Gag means roof in Hebrew. Okay, so but what I wanted to tell you is that this vowel system, so it can it's a series of okay, small points and lines that are placed in, under, on top, or beside consonants, and the first one has this sound a, like aleph, and this is kamatz, basically this vowel sound. So if we want to include this, then it would be like this. So this would be gag. And now in everyday handwriting, it's placed under the letter, okay, and everyday form, a printed form, sorry. Now this is the printed form of gag, means roof in Hebrew. Okay. Gog. And okay. So every day, written form and printed form. And you can adjust the sound of the letter Gimel by writing a comma right there. So it will be like this, as in the name George. And this is how it would be written. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.